The 2025 Ford Mustang GTD represents a pinnacle in automotive engineering, seamlessly merging luxury with high-performance capabilities. At its core lies a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 815 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful production Mustang to date. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch rear transaxle, connected via a carbon fiber driveshaft, achieving near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution. The GTD suspension system is a marvel, featuring a semi-active setup with a unique short-long arm front suspension that enhances lateral stiffness and kinematics, especially during high-G cornering. Additionally, it boasts a dual ride height system, optimizing performance for both street and track conditions. Braking is handled by Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, ensuring exceptional stopping power and durability under extreme conditions. The exterior showcases a bold design with extensive use of carbon fiber, contributing to weight reduction and aerodynamic efficiency. An active aerodynamic system, including a C-pillar-mounted active rear wing, adapts to driving conditions to maximize downforce and stability. Inside, the Mustang GTD offers a driver-focused cockpit equipped with a fully digital, customizable display, allowing drivers to tailor the information presented to their preferences. The use of premium materials throughout the interior ensures a luxurious experience, while maintaining the vehicle's performance-oriented ethos. In terms of performance, the Mustang GTD has demonstrated its prowess by completing the Nürburgring Nordschleife in under 7 minutes, solidifying its status as one of the fastest American road cars ever produced. Production is limited to 1,000 units, with pricing starting at approximately £315,000, reflecting its exclusivity and advanced engineering. In summary, the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD stands as a testament to Ford's dedication to pushing the boundaries of performance and luxury, offering an unparalleled driving experience for enthusiasts and collectors alike.